Basic salary 104,000. So our BSc is not useless after all. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check, and today is one of those days where we are focusing on reality check, on that reality dose. Okay, we are looking at BSc degrees. Are BSc degrees useless? Are BSc degrees worth it in 2023, especially here in South Africa? What can we do with a BSc degree? Okay guys, disclaimer, I'm not a career counselor. Please do not take this as career advice. How you can look at this channel or this video, I'm just a bridge between the people who have lived this experience, who have done these degrees, right? Some of them, they are working with their BSc degrees. Some of them, they are not doing anything that has to do with BSc, okay? What I want you to get from this video, guys, is some ideas of what you can do and see what other people are doing, okay? That's what I want to achieve with this video. However, I know there will be some people that have found jobs with their BSc degrees. And we are focusing on BSc degrees that are life sciences related, and there will be two that are chemistry related. They are not BSc, but it's two people that did analytical chemistry. I just feel like these two subjects or topics are similar, because I know a lot of people here in South Africa, they are struggling to get work with analytical chemistry. So this is why I thought, okay, let me just put it here. Right, let's start here. Hi Boni, I love your content. I thought let me share mine as well to motivate those who are doing BSc, since we are always catching smoke. I studied BSc Microbiology, been working just for over 9 years now as a senior clinical data manager, okay? She works for a pharmaceutical company, right? So this is how much she's earning. Fixed basic 81,300, medical allowance 1,300, pension fund 4,800, total package is 87,000. Annual cost to the company it's 1 million rands. Yo, 9 years experience, okay? Total deduction is 25,000. Net pay of 56,000. There's someone with BSc Microbiology, and they are working as a senior clinical data manager. All right. I'm sure the village is happy with this one. Okay. Now let's go to someone who did BSc Physiology. All right, guys. Again, remember, I'm here to give you ideas. You know, some of these pay slips, they don't come from the BSc field like this one. Hi Boni, I always see your content on TikTok. I thought I should join. I have a BSc degree in Human Physiology and I'm a medical sales rep. I have no experience, just started working this year. Okay, medical sales rep, fantastic. I'm sure she's getting good money, this one. Okay, basic salary, basic salary 14,500, car allowance 5,000 rands, total earnings 19,500. Okay, total deductions is 2,000, net pay of 17,400. Okay, what I noticed with this one is she does not have a commission, so this is why her salary is low, as much as she's in sales, but she's got just a basic salary. Okay, this is why I thought she would have a higher salary, because she's in sales. So not BSc Physiology. Okay, now let's look at someone who did BSc Chemistry and Biochemistry from Unisa. He's got 10 years experience as a chemist. I work 12 hours shift, which is quite challenging and demanding. If I'm on standby, I'm required to be at work. I cannot give any excuses. Bear in mind, I have colleagues with only grade 12 in the same position and earning the same. Okay, I'm confused now. I'm confused. If he's working as a chemist, I would think it's because he did BSc. Anyway, guys, I hope I'm not the only one who's confused. Please let me know. Is this confusing to you, or is this normal? Right. Basic salary 37,900. Okay, good. We are happy with that. Bonus 7,500. Overtime 3,900. Housing allowance 5,200. Happy with this. Shift allowance 1.5. Sunday overtime 7,800. Total earnings 64,200. Total deductions 22,000. And a net pay of 42,200. I am happy with this. I don't know how the village feels about this one, but I'm happy. I'm happy. Now let's go to an analytical chemistry intern. Okay, I know it's not BSc. This one did his qualification. He's got an advanced diploma. Okay, and he's currently an intern. So standard rates, and then the shift allowance. With shift allowance is 30,400. Total income 35,500. Okay, so he's got shift allowance and other things, and working on a public holiday 35,500. A net pay, guys, of 28,800. That's an analytical chemistry intern, and he works in a mine. Right? Oh, okay. Now let's move to a clinical research associate. This one, I was told, no, she was just lucky. You know, you can do this even if you didn't do BSc. But again, I'm here just to give you ideas and just to show you what other people are doing. Okay, so she did BSc Human Physiology, Genetics and Psychology. Okay, and she's got at this point she had like 1 year experience. So let's see how much is she earning. Okay, salary 48,750, car allowance 6,000, and she works from home. Medical aid allowance 3,000, internet allowance 1,100 because she works from home. Total deductions 15,800. Net pay of 42,990. That's a clinical research associate with just 1 to 2 years experience. Okay, I am loving this. I am loving this. I think she's got a good deal, and I was told she was just lucky. You don't really get a job because you have this type of BSc. Basically, you know, it could be other BScs as well. But anyway, guys, we are happy for her. We are loving this. Now let's move to a epidemiologist. I don't want to chop my qualifications in. Okay. Hi Boni, I have a BSc degree. Then she mentioned which degree, but she said please don't don't mention it because people will know it's me, because there's a few of us in the country. Okay, cool. But she's got a master's in public health, working for an NGO with 10 years experience. Basic salary 104,000, cell phone allowance 520, data card allowance 370, total earnings 105,000, total deductions 45,000, net pay of 60,700. Oh my god. guys, you see, our BSc is not useless after all. But the question remains, is it worth it in 2023? Right now, like, is it something that you should do if we are sitting at home and you are doing grade 12, basically? But if you are already a graduate, I hope we are getting some ideas of where you can go. Now let's look at someone who did BSc in biochemistry and microbiology, okay? And they are working as a teacher. They have PG, CE. They majored in biology, life sciences, for them to get their PG, CE qualification. This one is a teacher, okay? Total earnings 27,000. Okay, where's the basic salary? Oh, that's the basic salary. There's nothing else. Just 27,000 as a teacher in a private school. This is good. Total deductions 5,600 and a net pay of 22,236. If you've been around this channel, you know that I've covered teachers' salaries and private schools. They were disappointing us, you know. So I'm happy with this one, okay? So this one is not a payslip, but it's a chat that I had with my sister-in-law. I was asking her, like, I just wanted to know, Onje, which BSc did she do? She did medical science, human physiology, okay? And then I was asking her, is it hard to find a job? Do you have honors now? Says it's hard if you want to work in laboratories because the university doesn't register as medical scientists with the HPCSA, and most laboratories want that certificate. But if you are planning to take the academic route, there are good chance you can get a job lecturing, but one has to do master's or PhD, and at the moment she is doing her PhD, and this is how she survives, okay? She had a bursary for some time, but this is how she's surviving. She works as a demonstrator on campus, which is UKZN, and she is a tutor, e-tutor at Unisa, okay? So that's how she's making her money while she is pursuing her PhD, right? Yeah, guys, something to look at as well. Now let's look at a senior laboratory technician. Guys, please like this video if you find value in it, and share with someone that might need it. That helps me a lot. Hi Boni, I'm working as a senior laboratory technician. I have a national diploma in analytical chemistry and have over 5 years experience. Chemistry people, we are here for you. Basic salary 32,000, housing allowance 1,000 rands, overtime 2.2, public holiday 2.2, shift allowance 1.3, Sunday time 11,000, transport allowance 1.1, total earnings 51,000, deductions 16,600, and a net pay of 35,156. There's someone who's working as a senior laboratory technician and they did analytical chemistry. Guys, I hope you found value in this video. Please like, share, and share your thoughts with me, okay? Yeah, otherwise I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.